everyone, no matter where you are in the world, whether it is morning, afternoon, or night. I just want to say welcome to Dyana's Kitchen and thank you for being here with me. I'm making something simple but delicious, a loaded cheese shrimp garlic bread. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice to give it a nice wash. So I already washed it, so now I'm going to put some powder season. So this is my creamy garlic. So that's my minced garlic. I'm just going to put a good teaspoon. I'm going to give this a good mix and then add my Dyana Kitchen all-purpose season. Guys, you know sometimes you season your meat and you have to grab a whole lot of season, black pepper, garlic powder, and the whole 9 yards. You said this season, one season for almost everything, guys. I love that. I'm going to add a pinch of salt for taste. Guys, you know I love my Langley butter, guys. That's the garlic one. So guys, I just add my shrimp with my garlic butter in my pot. I'm going to cook it for around 3 to 5 minutes and remove it from the heat. So now I'm going to prepare my fresh season. This is my bell pepper. You don't have to use any bell pepper, guys, but for me, it is a must. So I just prepared a spread to put over my bread. I just use some garlic butter and extra garlic powder. Now I'm just gonna use it and butter my bread. For the bread, I'm going to use some pizza sauce. Just gonna pour it all over the bread. That is my bell pepper. I'm showing on top of the shrimp. then I'm gonna put my cheese. So I'm gonna stuck it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. So guys, this is one side. It's already finished, but I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about a minute or two because I want to see the cheese melt at the side. So guys, I put some extra cheese at the side, and here is the result, nice and cheesy. So guys, if you watched the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave us a comment, and let us know where you're watching from. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.